Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Hey, am I like leaning into y'all? Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Hey, W intro, Don DeMarco. Today on the show where I watch police cases, we got a Dodge Charger running from Arkansas State Police. As you can see, the Charger's just riding. Seems to be going the speed limit. Is it a wide body? It's a slim body. So the Charger's pursuit seems to be riding by. But now he's hitting the brakes. He wants to get behind the Charger, it seems like. He's like, well, let me look at his exhaust again. It seems like his straight pipe. Flick the lights. Oh, this Charger's giving him the work. He turned off the lights. He said, I was about to get off at my exit. But you want to do the chase, bro? I just got gas. That's what I'm here for, boys. Hit the like button for me. Yes, sir. Where's the Charger? Where's the Charger? Do you see it? I don't see it. The only Charger I see is the one that the cop is riding. Yeah, bro. I can see the Charger a little bit up there hitting the brakes and shit. He's having fun doing this to the cop. Get this guy off the road because he's hitting the brakes and shit. But like, bro, he wanted this chase. He bought that scat just to run from the cops, bro. Whoever it was, bro. Could be a lady. I need to stop saying hey guys at the intro. I need to say what's up. I need to get a name for y'all. I don't want it to sound cheesy. I want it to sound cool. I want people to come up to me and be like, yo bro, I'm with the blah blah blah. And yeah, I mess with you, bro. Like, I know the name of it. Like, when I do the giveaways, like, I need y'all to know. Like, I need a name for y'all. You feel me? I gotta think about it, y'all. It's not him in the ditch, is it? Yeah, so I don't see any Charger. We're gonna keep watching whatever this cop is chasing. Maybe it's his pride. Maybe he's chasing his pride, man. Because it's definitely not a Charger. Wait, nobody's moving out the way. Where's the Charger? I see people hitting their brakes up there because of whatever. Is he up there? But he would have more than likely broke all that traffic up, all that riding side by side shit. I hate that shit. Even driving like a regular citizen. Stop riding side by side, blocking me off to where I can't cut up. That make me want to cut up. You feel me? Don't box me in, don't do nothing. Then I won't have to make your ass butt hurt in your car. Leave that space. Everybody know how to drive, bro. You're supposed to leave like a school bus in between everybody. And this cop, like a good boy, he hit the lights. Damn. I'm not even gonna talk about the donuts, bro. Wow. Usually I would get the cops a little donut, you feel me, if they caught the perp at least. But the perp was really just toying with his ass. So they got the guy's address or whatever from the plate. That's all they needed. And he took off on his ass. Damn. Nasty work, bro. Nasty work. Wow. Like, bro. Where did the Charger go? Where was the Charger, bro? I'ma help and look for that bit with you, bro. You need to call your therapist. Where's the Charger? I'ma have your therapist say it. Where's the Charger? You can listen, bro. Don't run from the police, bro. This could have turned out way nastier, but it just didn't. And they just got his plate, so your plate connected to your address. You playing out the Matrix rules, you feel me? I don't know if y'all know my other chase with the GT500 Mustang, but the ASP officer already knew. He's riding dirty. You know what I mean? He ain't going with none of that registration shit. A license, what is that? This is a car. It starts. You feel me? Don't put a plate on it if you want to be a regular citizen. You feel me? Don't try to just run for the police, bro. That's some dumbass crash out shit, bro. And this is good advice. Shout out to the police for doing their jobs, I guess. Getting this on footage for me. Damn, I really appreciate it. It's not supposed to be entertaining, but it really is. It really is entertaining, y'all. I wonder if y'all entertained by this. Let me know. Maybe y'all don't want to hear me eating a fucking apple. You feel me? Let me know. I mean, if you want to hit the like button for me, that would be much appreciated. You feel me? Let me tell y'all a little bit about myself. Close out the video. Make it a little longer. You feel me? Not monetized. So I'm doing it out the love, bro. I just want longer videos. Me and JTSpeeds. My favorite color is blue. My favorite place I like to go on vacation to in the United States is New York, for sure. By far, my favorite. I love Canal Street very much. Go grab a couple watches, you feel me? I love it. I'm all for Canal Street, man. We need something like that in Michigan. I don't know if they would let them play ball. They get some janky out here. You gotta go to certain people in New York. Go to the Asian ladies with the sling bags, bro. They'll get you right, bro. Anyways, this is JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
I cannot go back and forth, cause you know that my switch, you don't tussle. I switch on my bitch, I got others. You got the ball and you fumble. I got the bag, made it double. You diss